Okay, and you can see how much I already it gonna finish it. Very care about our limbs, and also that in that time this come. So hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new haul. This haul is all about the pink summer sale. This is a haul slash recommendation for all the skincare and the hair care products that I am loving currently. These are basically the summer essentials and all the products that I repurchased, rather very much tried and tested over the period of time, and I have this many products to show you all for this video, and all these products are on huge discount on this pink summer sale, which has started from 9th May. I know it's late, but you got still time. So without any further delay, now we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Jagriti. I make videos related to makeup, fashion, beauty on this channel, so take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so starting first thing first, I have a face wash recommendation for you all, and also I repurchased this, and I have no other recommendation than this because I haven't found anything better than this. So this is a simple refreshing facial wash. This is the most soothing face wash right there. It's absolutely do not irritate your skin. Oh my god, I have recommended this in my previous skincare haul as well, and I'm just advocating this product because this is so good. It's so calm, gentle, and cleans out all the gunks beautifully. It just, I don't know what to say. I know many of you girls love this Simple Ka face wash right there then, and it's my favorite too. It has zero fragrance, and in this sale you will be getting this duo for rupees 546. See, this is a huge deal I'm talking about, so please grab yourself. I am sure you're gonna love it, and also it is 100% so free. So that's what I'm telling. It's very gentle and very nicely it clears out and removes all the oil and dirt from your skin. So moving to the next recommendation is for the moisturizer. I have two of them, both from the same brand itself. It is Plum, because this is I love the most. I have told you all various places, also previous haul मैंने mention किया था. This is the Plum Niacinamide 2% niacinamide and rice water gel moisturizer, या फिर gel cream, you can tell. I have completely finished this. This is full empty, that much I love this product. So I got this one in PR, and nonetheless मैं थकती नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल भी इसको promote करके, because this is so beautiful. It's so calming, so gentle. It's just complement my skin, because as in ki it does not give me any kind of breakouts. Also, it over the period of time it really helped to get rid of the blemishes that I have all over my face. Few places, especially around my eye areas, here the corners पे. So I have seen visible changes, so that's what I love the most about it. This is the first moisturizer recommendation I have for you all, so this is the one. Next, I have another recommendation from the Plum itself. This is the another variant of this moisture gel, या फिर moisturizer, you can cream gel or moisturizer you can say. So this is the Bulgarian Rose Hyaluronic Acid Dew with Light Gel Cream. It's the same but different variant it got, but similar kind of moisturizer. So this is I got recently, and nonetheless let me tell you, I love this one as well because the texture is same. Now I have to try it out and see what benefit it does. Hyaluronic acid is something, it's not a very alien serum for me. I have already tried it out and really works nice for me. And hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, these are the serums which my skin is very much known to, and something not alien, so it does not give me any breakouts and whatsoever. And this is how beautiful the texture is. It's similar like the previous one, little bit of like pinkish texture color it has, and the texture is same. It's like same. mostly my likeness for this moisturizer started from its texture. So that's what I love the most about it, and that's how I feel in love. So like doing getting rid of the blemishes was the secondary thing, but first how it really sinked into my skin and gave me that very nourished skin was my first love for this moisturizer, and this one doing the same thing for me, so I'm loving it already. So yeah, these are the two moisturizer recommendations that I have, and I can't tell which one I love most. So yeah. Okay, so moving to now all the skincare recommendations that I want to provide for this haul. So I have basically have 3 products to share with you all. All of them are sunscreen, but different body parts and things they target. So first I have this Wishcare ka sunscreen right there. So this is called the Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. This is a recent addition to my skincare collection, and I tell you, I love this sunscreen so much. You guys know how much I love a sunscreen which got this runny texture, and because of which I have this many sunscreen that I already previously told you all, and among them this is like my one of the most favorite one. This is from the Fix Dermas, and all these sunscreen are mostly this got this runny texture except this, and I told you all when I use this, if you have seen my hauls and all, and except that all are got this very runny kind of texture. That is what I like most about my sunscreen. If you see this one as well, these beautifully easily absorbing sunscreen, it's from the Fix Derma. Now for this haul video, I want to recommend the Wishcare Niacinamide, which is completely my recent addition to my collection. Let me show you all. This is how beautifully runny texture it got. What it helps is that it helps in getting, synced into your skin nice and well, because of which you will be getting no white cast and whatsoever. Your skin will feel hydrated at the same time. So it got 50 plus SPF and PA4 pluses, that is the broad spectrum and different protection against the sun. So this is what it looks like. I have told you all about the texture. It leaves no white cast, rather it gives a beautiful sheer shine to your face that feels your skin very much hydrated even on look. So, and you will feel indeed itself upon using it. So this is a beautiful glow it leaves behind. So this is the first one. It got a very mild smell, but that won't irritate your skin for sure. It also got ceramides in it. If you know, you know. In my recent haul, I got an opportunity to go to the Wishcare office in Kolkata, where I met co-founder of Wishcare, who is like Stuti Kothari, and I told her in person that how I love ceramides in my skincare, because I tell you, ceramides are very important for the skin, because it's like it helps to rejuvenate your skin, and it's very essential for your skin cells. In very layman term, I can tell you that it's very essential for your skin, for your cells development, and also I really love ceramides in my skincare, and that was experience in itself. I hope you have seen the vlog. If you haven't, please check out. It will be linked in the description box below. And also I made Sarah Roche. I mean, what a day it was. But yeah, coming back to this haul again, another sunscreen I will recommend from the same brand itself, which is Wishcare. This is their sunscreen body lotion. Even in the interview also I have talked about this product. So they have asked me my 3 favorite products from Wishcare. This is undoubtedly. So often what we do is we skip our body ka sun protection hum check karna bhul jate hain. That is something we should not do. So you have to take this in nice amount, and just this much is fine for one hand, and just apply it nicely, nice and well. This will ensure that your hands, your limbs are protected from sun, and it got a broad spectrum protection, so it protects us from the UVA and UVB as well. It also got niacinamide, ceramides, carrot seed and raspberry extract. So I think overall it's a very beautiful moisturizer, it's a very beautiful body lotion overall, and with SPF protection in it, does everything for this summer. It's a summer essential and a must-have into your collection. So okay, so moving to the next summer essential, and also one of my favorite one by far, because this is something I have tried for the first time and I completely love it. I cannot think without this. Even I traveled with this one itself and it really saved my skin from sun damages a lot. So this is the Asaya's Sheer Screen Mist. So basically this is a sprayable सनस्क्रीन. अभी तुम्हें मार्केट में बहुत सारा स्प्रेइंग मिस्ट मिल जाएगा, बट आई किड यू नॉट, दिस इज 65 प्लस SPF with got PA triple plus, and I love Asaya's Sheer Screen Mist. I mean, this is just a sprayable sunscreen, but that is not just, it does more job than a normal sunscreen rather, because it stays on your skin for a long time. And yeah, this is the one you have to spray it and you get a beautiful healthy glow rather, and that ensures that your sunscreen, your Sheer Screen Mist is on your, you know, this hand. So let me tell you, yeah, this is how, just that is it. You have to apply it all over your hands, legs, any exposed areas for that matter, and the protection is just locked and also sweat and water resistant. So if you want to go for a beach vacation, definitely consider it, because your sun protection is not going anywhere. You can just dive into a pool or go a beach and ensure that your skin is protected. So I love it. You can also spray it on your full face of makeup on, and yeah, that is it. It won't melt anything. Okay, it will just lock where you have sprayed, and that is it. So you can definitely consider, but remember, if you have a chapped lips, then do not use it that area because it can irritate. Okay, moving to the last skincare recommendation. This is basically for the lips, and do not forget your lips. I know it's not summer, but sometimes due to dehydration chapped lips हो जाता है, अब मुझे लगता है सबका ही. And if you wear lipstick, so I wear lipstick almost every day, and I often sit in AC, that also you know, my lips crack हो जाता है all the time. So my favorite lip balm, except Laneige is my #1 favorite lip balm, that too in gummy bear. I have told you 1,000 times now. But next, if you want a tinted, see, the gummy bear and the Laneige lip balm is not, it's a very sheer lip balm, but it's a different thing to talk about. But then if you want a very nice, you know, pigmented tinted lip balm for your pigmented lips, definitely consider this Wishcare Ceramide Wala lip balm. I love it. This got a beautiful pink, little bit, you can see, I don't know, this got this beautiful tinted pink color right here. So this is how beautiful it look like, a very nice strawberry pink, very good for your pigmented lips right there, and it does really take care of everything. This one also has ceramide, phosphoric acid, niacinamide and watermelon. So in the interview also I told the watermelon lip balm is my favorite, and this is the one. This is my second purchase, and I have recommended all my friends, those who have asked me that what do you use for the pigmented lips, this is the one you should use. Also the one in yellow one that I think has this cocoa extract, that is also very beautiful. That's it for all the skincare and stuffs. Now I will move to the hair care. The first product that I will recommend, and also I have talked a lot before as well, is the BBlunt shampoo. In general, I love any BBlunt shampoo, but particularly the one I love the most is the anti-dandruff Wala shampoo. Any problem related to dandruffs and itchy scalp in general, you need to try out this shampoo right there, because this one because this one not only just eliminates the dandruff, also works very nice and well for your itchy scalp in general. Kid you not, this is the best shampoo. It gives really smooth, shiny, healthier hairs right there after the first wash itself, and it smoothens your hairs nice and well, and also targets the dandruff if you have that issue. Moving to the next hair care product, and this is a pure gem. This is a Schwarzkopf Spa. It's called the Schwarzkopf Profession. I don't know if I'm spelling it right or wrong, matlab pronouncing it right or wrong, but this is what the product looks like. This is the one. So basically you use it after shampoo all over your hair nice and well, then tie it up with a warm towel right there, just how you use a spa. Or sometimes I use it as a conditioner as well, like I skip my regular conditioner and I use this spa as my conditioner, and it works so beautiful. The best part is that you should keep it for a good 15 to 20 minutes by wrapping up your hair. That works the best, but also you can use as a conditioner, and I do most of the time that, and I have seen visible result. My hair game got a toss after using this, and definitely I am using this for 3 years now, more than 3 years now, and I am loving it. So this is a must have. Last but not the least, this is the L'Oreal serum. This is my most favorite serum right there. I have recommended it all over now, and you can see how much I love it. ये फिनिश करना ना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, let me tell you, because you need 2 to 3 pump of this particular one, and it is almost going to finish its hair. This much is left. That shows how much I love this particular one. After every hair wash I use this serum, and even I have to do any styling on my hair or any heat, I make sure that I drench my hair with this serum right here. And this is the 100 ml one, the biggest size. Absolutely love it. My mom also loves this one, uses it. So it helps to get tame your hair, any frizziness or any baby hairs around. You can just tame it out with this serum, and I can't vouch enough for this product. And the best part is that in this Nykaa Pink Summer Sale, you are getting a huge discount of rupees 37% off. That is, this one retails for rupees 729, the MRP of it, and you will be getting at 459. I mean, it's a steal deal, and definitely consider one, and you're gonna love it. Okay, so that's it for all the skincare and hair care, somewhat essential. That was the haul / recommendation of this year that you can definitely consider buying from this Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. I hope you loved all the recommendations that I provided in this video. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.